This is statistics review sheet C on the probability, and we start with just 3 events. The first one's really simple, just A is the chance of getting a 5 on a dice. And clearly, the chance of getting a 5 on a dice is just 1 out of 6. There's 1 5 on a dice. Then event B is we've got 2 different dice, we need the sum to be 5. Of course, we could have 1 and 4, we could have 2 and 3, or the other way around, 3 and 2, or the other way around, 4 and 1. So we've got 4 different possibilities, and hopefully you know on 2 dice there's 36 things that can happen altogether, 6 times 6. C, we've got another dice. The one just shows a 5. Again, we're back to the same thing. It's 1 out of 6. It's a normal dice. They're the fair, normal, fair dice. It's 1 out of 6. Now these are the interesting ones. This says we want A and B both to happen. We want there to be a 5 on the first dice and the total to be 5. Well, if you notice here, none of these uses a 5. It's impossible to happen. You can't get a 5 and a total of 5. So the answer to that one is 0. And it's the same thing the other way. This says B and C is both going to happen. This is the sum is 5 and the total on the red one's 5. And so that really is just 0 as well. But this one can happen. A and C. I want to get a 5 on the first dice and a 5 on the second. A 5 on the first dice and a 5 on the second. I can times them together because they're independent, they don't affect each other, and so we got an answer of 1 over 36 here. And that's what this parts B and C now go on to get on with. Mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive means that they can't happen at the same time. It means that A intersection B is 0, and so therefore A and B are mutually exclusive. Which event is independent to A? Well, that is C. C is independent because they do not affect each other. 2 dice rolled separately do not affect each other. That's why they're independent.